Oh, I dropped the motor.
At the pad watching Jerry, 97 living. Contemplating, I need a bag to do some bumper checking. Since a kid, all I wanted was a dream on pick. All on set, low-key videos, talking lowrider. If you ain't about this hop life, you probably can comprehend. 11 to the nose might blow a hose if you don't got a hand. Look, baby, you fine, but no dimes and no hopping in. Gas, cash, keep the ass, you dig that, then we ride. Don't smoke in here, I'm getting lifted, I'm corner bending. This bitch in my ear, I cut the beat up, ain't trying to hear no vent. Hold on, baby, brace yourself, I'm finna blast.
What it do, y'all? Tipping on 3. And y'all see I got these pumps here. Y'all remember those from my last video. So today what we're going to do is we're going to break them down. We're going to go over the parts of the pump in case y'all don't know how to break a pump down and so forth. Man, let's get right into it, man. I ain't doing no talking. Y'all see I got my dice hanging up. Got dice in the garage, man. That's a gangster, man. I don't care what y'all say. That's a gangster right there. All right, we're going to start here with this motor. That's the first thing we're going to take off. If you don't have one of these, you can build one. Nice to have. A little pump stand, put it in a vise. Easy. But let's get started with this motor. I ain't never seen nothing like this before. Usually it's just two 11mm long rods that you put into the pump. I'll grab one of those real quick. Hold on. I got one. It's a rod like that. It goes into the pump. 11mm 11mm socket. You put it in there. It goes through there like this. Comes out. But we're going to see what's going on. This is some old school stuff, but we're going to get right into it. I ain't taking this wire off the top, but if you must know, usually it's a 12 or 13 millimeter nut to take the power wire off, in case you don't know. But if you mess around with your switches and your hydraulics and stuff, you probably know that. Oh, that was a cap. So it must have been, obviously it was a motor cap. I ain't never seen one like that before in my life. But again, these are old school stuff. Here we go. We got these rods right here. Let's see what we got going on here. This is old, bro. The 11mm ain't fit. Maybe it's a 10. Not even a 10, bro. It's like an 8 or a 9. This is funky stuff right here. Bro, we about to just roll with this 10. It's not a 10, but we're going to roll with it to see what it got. See what we got going on here, because I can't find my now. So we got the 10 to work. We got one rod and the other. I dropped the key. So that motor's off. We got our block here, but what I dropped was the key. For y'all that don't know, this is called a key. When you go on the website, you look for it. It says 9-16 key. And why that says that is, I'd be lying to you, but I'm going to take a guess. I'm probably not lying to you though. 9. There's two different sides of this key. One goes to the gear and one goes to the motor. The side like that's open more, I guess, has less teeth. That's the side for the motor, in which I believe that has 9 splines on it. Yeah, 9 splines. The other side has 16. See how it's smaller? So this is your key. It's called a 9-16 key on our website. That's what that is. So we have our motor off. Here's our motor right here. As you can see, for that key. See that right there? 9 splines right there for the teeth. And that key goes on as such. Just like that. That's how it sits. And then it goes through the block and connects to your gear. So it doesn't look like we have any gear or motor seals. Not necessarily, you don't need them. I know I'm running them on all my pumps, but you can there's some motor seals. I have those. I'll grab one so y'all can see one. Here's what it looks like. That's the motor seal. And it just goes in the block like this. And it sits in there flush. And keeps that fluid from running out. This is what you call a super seal. It goes on your gear. But I'll show you that when you get the gear off. So I'm running motor seals and super seals in all my pumps. I don't want no leakage, bro. I want nothing coming through. So let's go ahead and get this tank off. This is definitely different than most tanks also. These are small. I've never seen these this small. These actually go crazy. But these are tiny. You got your wrench. Man's best friend. Look at that. I'm actually excited to see what gears are in these because I might use them. Bro, I'm actually sick about that. Oh, I dropped the motor. That was dumb. I knew it was going to roll. I don't know why I even did that. I told you we about flaws and stuff on this channel. Y'all seeing it raw. Dude, what's in here? What the fuck is that? What is that, bro? How is that even? I never even seen nothing like that before. What is that? Ew, nastiness in here too. We dump the rest of that out. Ooh, did y'all hear it? That was disgusting. This looks nasty. But okay, let's dive right into this because I thought it was like back door. Is that a filter? This is old school stuff. Let me grab some brake clean this off and see what's going on. Shit. Bro, I don't know what I'm looking at, bro. I have not a clue what I'm looking at, bro. I'm not using them. What the hell am I gonna do with them? What's this? A magnet? What was they doing back in the day, bro? Let me bring y'all in. What is this, bro? What's going on here? These are the gears that were in here. What are those? FENNERSTONES. PN 108. B97. What does any of this mean? What's going on? Does this even come off from the block? Let's see. Alright. So to get these off from the block, 13 millimeter socket, unless this is different because they're old school, but it doesn't look like it. I've never seen nothing like it in my life, but then again, I've only been lowrider for 4 years, from 2020 to 2024. This is my 4th year lowriding, 1st year out. You're probably like, how did that don't even make sense? Well, I've been built my car for 4 years. It was trial and error. And for those who've been watching me for a while, they know what's up. I'm not about to sit there and explain that. If you know, you know. So that's out of there. FENNERSTONE. What y'all know about these Fenny boys? This is that Fenner. Sorry, no, let me stop. All right, now that those are broke free, did I get all of them? Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and bring out our trusty electric ratchet. One. Did it work? Two. Oh, these are longer than some of them are longer than the others, bro. Let's be careful here. Let's think about this. Looks like, bro, this smells like gas or something. Like, this, it smells like natural gas. I don't know what's going on. Let's get this filter out. This is definitely a filter, bro. This was crazy. It's interesting, actually. I might break this in the gear. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, I got it. Dude, bro. I should have gloves on. I'm not gonna lie. This is good. Oh! Alright, so 2 long ones are up top. The long top one on the bottom, and the short ones are on the sides. Oh, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm probably screwing myself. When you take a gear off, you only take 4. You only take 4 off, and then 2 of them hold the gear together. So this gear actually might come apart. Ooh, look at this. This is poo-poo, bro. Oh, this is poopy-doopy, bro. Let me get this cleaned off real quick. Oh, so it looks like these all hold the gear on. And there's 2. Remember I said there's 2 that holds the gear together? Those are those 2 right there. So all these actually do hold the gear on. So we got a regular motor seal here. I mean gear seal. We got a regular seal right here. But you can use those super seals, like I said. Pop those out and pop the super seal right in. Super seal goes in. You look at it. There's like a small side and a big side. See how it's shaped like that? Obviously, these rings go inside the gear. It goes in this way. Like that. It goes in and you push it in. You want to knock those in gently. You don't want to mess these O-rings up. Because once you do that, it's pointless. You want to start leaking again. Yeah, that's, look at this. Look at the FENNERSTONES. Can you read that? FENNERSTONE. PN 108. Something like that. And then B97. Whatever that means. Comment below what these gears what are these? What are these? 7s, 9s, old school 11s. What are they? I have no idea. So now all we got left is the block. And this is what grounds everything out. Everything grounds to the block. You can trick out your motors and you can put a ground in the motor. Not necessary, but if you're running some high voltage, that's what they do. Not everybody does it, but some people do it. You got your tank seal right here. This is your tank seal. And that's about it. So that's how you break a pump down. There ain't nothing to it. Couple household tools, normal tools. You can get it done. How about I miss anything? If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share. If you learned something, I'll start breaking. Maybe next video I'll actually get I got another motor. I got a new school motor. So I'll actually break that down, show you the parts of a motor, show you how to break those down and how to put them back together. It's not too hard, but if you know what you're doing, you're going to need both your hands to do it. And you need this, just like this, to put a new school motor back together. At least for me, that's how I do it. But I ain't gonna hold y'all up. I know this video's long and I didn't want it to be, but you saw the real and the raw. Peace.
See a victim, I locked up the ass, dumped the front, and then I hit him. I had to get him, had to show him what this game over shit about. Set tripping, hitting switches as this bad bitch tits down. Wet, dripping,